Good morning, guys. How are you doing? I took a few days to make sure Antonia to make sure she had her clothes done, everything ready to go back to work. And here's a note she left me. Yeah, she leaves me this note up here. Wash your hands. It's kind of a joke we have between us, because I'll come in from walking the dog and I don't think anything about it, but she's sanitizing everything. But yeah, that's what's been going on around here. And we actually got her a little cart to put her clothes in so she can get them organized. But that's not what you come here for. I'm going to show you how to pressure cook chicken in your pressure cooker, your Insta Pot, whatever brand it is you have. Now, I've seen these, and there's some people that don't have one yet because they're a little intimidated. Let me tell you something. These little babies are the best thing you are ever going to buy for your kitchen. You can do a dump and go meal in a fraction of the time that you would put it on Insta Pot in the slow cooker or in the oven. Just cut your time down altogether. I'm going to get you ready. I'm going to lower you down. And you're going to be able to see this. I got this Insta Pot a couple years ago. And actually, it's how I stopped being so afraid of stovetop pressure cookers. This is self-regulating. I have 8 cups of water in here with like a 1/4 cup of, here it is. Should have left this out, right? Yeah. This here. You can get this in your Hispanic aisle or maybe your Asian aisle. I'm not sure. But it is just the granules of a broth. It's like under $4 in your ethnic aisle. In most areas you can get it in your Latina aisle or Mexican aisle, whatever aisle it is. But that thing is fantastic. It lasts a long time. I have maybe a 1/4 cup in here of it. Why? Because I have 4 3-pound bags of chicken in a bowl that I'm going to do in here. Now I've showed you how to pressure can chicken. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. Pressure cook it in your electric pressure cooker. Alright. Oh my goodness. I told you it's a lot of chicken. And yes, I did wash my hands. I had to catch up the dishes. Yeah, because there's some that didn't get washed last night. Now, I say 12 pounds because I had 4 3-pound bags. Hello. Yeah, we'll have to deal with that when we pull it out. I hope it's all going to fit. I'm pretty sure it will fit. You know, it's one of those things, I always push the boundaries a little bit. And I think we're just, yeah. I'm going to have to do this in 2 rounds. Because I'm at capacity right now. Washing my hands. Because I didn't handle raw meat. Now, that, I will show you in just a second how to set it to pressure cook. Right now, I just had it on saute. So I just wanted to get the water warm so the granules could dissolve. Yeah, we're kind of pushing it a bit here. Now you're going to put your top on. Lid. Make sure it's sealed. Then you're going to go manual. You're going to shut it off. Poultry. High pressure. It did everything for me. All I had to do was, let me get you off the tripod and bring you in. I just hit this little button. It says poultry. That's it. It will cook in 15 minutes. I may have to do another run because that is a lot of chicken. And that is what I got left. We will have a lot of chicken ready. And I will do one on sealing it in a vacuum sealer. I'll bring it back when this is done. Alright guys, we are back. Chicken is done. Now here's a little tip. I see people all the time use these Insta Pots, and they're always, it's like, where do you depressurize it? I set mine on my cook range right under the vent, so I can put the vent on low and release the pressure if I'm doing a quick release. Okay. Oh, this is nice, nice, nice. All our chicken is done. And all I gotta do is bring my bowl over. Oh yeah, baby. This is done. Even the piece that was still frozen solid. Now I added an extra 15 minutes. Instead of running it twice, I just put an extra 15 on it. I mean, Mama's got things to do. And I had to go over to Kroger to take Antonio's her papers because she went back to work. So, yeah. Ow. That is that. I'm going to do a video on shredding chicken and vacuum sealing it. This is nice. I'm happy with this. Now, I can cook the rest of it. I will see you guys later. Hello guys, this is a quick little video on shredding chicken. People make such a big deal of it. And you know what? It's not a big deal. You gotta get quality control on your knee, the paws on your knee. You take one fork, hold the chicken, the other one you're gonna pull. That's it. That's all you do. That is it. Now, another way you can do this, it does not involve bulky equipment. And just take, with your fingers, do that. You're just basically pulling this chicken. That is all you're doing. One piece for quality control. And there we go. Now this next video is going to be weighing this and getting it ready to store it. I will see you guys later. Alright guys, I am back, I am done. I ended up shredding that chicken by hand. Now this is how your finished product is going to look. Oops, it didn't seal. It didn't pull all out, the chicken out. Yeah, lovely. If you have that happen, I'm going to bring you on over here so you can see the sealer. These things happen. You got to make sure you got your little thing here lined up. Lock that. Make that lovely, lovely noise. Let me make sure it still has one area. That is the only problem with these things. Now you see why I can, right? telling you. So it's sealed. Yeah, this time it's sealed. Alright, that is it. You simply put the chicken in the bag after you seal the other end, and that's it. I will see you guys later.